Good morning to those who listen. October 4th, 2023, 1:04 a.m. And the video I did before this, talking about somebody stepping in a speaker. I really don't think that would happen, but I could see this causing an uproar. And then it would be a big thing. And they would say this is a crisis or an event. And then they delay the EAS test. So I'm just throwing that out there. I think there's a good possibility now that the test might be delayed until the 11th. Just throwing it out there as a possibility. I don't know. A lot of crazy stuff happened today. And now it's October 4th. Stay tuned. Armor up. Pray up. And we'll be okay. Thanks for watching. God bless.